Okay, so if we assume that the resistance is proportional to the velocity, then the downward velocity. So we have a relation related with the velocity and the mass function that can be expressed as V is equal to mg by k 1 minus e to the power of minus kt by m. Okay, so V is the downward velocity. Okay, so a particle moving downwards. Is that okay? Now V can be expressed as dh over dt. That will be our v of t. We can express as a function v of t. So instead of dv, we can write dh dt. That will be mg by k 1 minus e to the power of minus kt by m. So we can write dh, that will be mg by k minus mg by k e to the power of minus kt by m with dt. Now, what do we know that? So we have to integrate this one. So h will be integration mg by k dt minus mg by k integration e to the power of minus kt by m dt. Okay, so we can write this one as a mg t by k minus mg by k. Now we can recall that e to the power of mx dx, that will be our 1 by m e to the power of m over mx. So here we have e to the power of minus kt by m, that can be expressed as minus k by m times t. So it will be minus m by k e to the power of minus kt m plus some constant c. So we can write now, we can write here h of t, that is a function of mgt by k minus m square plus g by k square e to the power of minus kt by m plus some constant. Now look at the question. Assume that the body starts at the height of h. That means initially when t equal to 0, the h of 0 was h naught. That is called our initial condition. Initial condition. Okay. Now, so now for t equal to 0, we have h of 0, that will be h naught, that can be expressed as mgk times 0 minus m square g plus m square g k square e to the power of 0 plus some constant c. So you can find our c will be h naught minus m square g by k square. Okay, now, so this is our equation 1. We can write this is our equation 1, this is our equation 2. So therefore we have h of t, that is the function of mg t by k minus, sorry, not minus, plus, it will be plus m square g by k square e to the power of minus kt by m plus h naught minus m square g k square. So after simplification, we can write this one h of t, that will be mgt by k minus m square g by k square 1 minus e to the power of minus kt by m plus h naught. That will be our equation of the vertical height for this body having the mass m, and k is our constant. Most probably k is the wind resistivity. Okay, so now in this way you can solve this question also. So this one will be your homework. Try it, and next video we will start working on a new problem. Thank you so much.